Hello everyone, welcome to Monty Excel in Life. Wherever you in this world, we all speak one language, that is Microsoft Excel. In today's video, let us see how to create barcodes in Excel. We'll guide you step-by-step process how to generate barcodes using the power of Excel. Barcodes are really essential for efficiency, inventory management, tracking products, and improving workflow. With our easy to follow instruction, you will learn how to leverage Excel formulas and formatting options to create a dynamic barcode that can scanned by any barcode reader. Get ready to unlock the potential of barcoding in Excel and streamline your business process like never before. All right. If you see, I've taken a small table here that is the product ID for which you want to create a barcode. So in order to create a barcode, generally what we do is we'll try to use a pipe symbols here. All right. Never try to do that giving a pipe symbol by default directly from the keyboard. What you can do is you can use two formulas here. That is when you want to concatenate something. Okay. We can use either concatenate. All right. So what I want to concatenate here, I'm using double quotes, star, double quotes, comma. I'm using this cell reference. That is your first product ID. Then use the comma operator. Again, double quotes, star, double quotes, and end the bracket. And you will see that for this product ID, there's a prefix and suffix that is a star symbol. You can get these formula that is using a concatenation. Either you can use simply equals to double quotes, star, double quotes, ampersand, because we are trying to concatenate without a formula here now. So now what I want to do is again use ampersand, double quotes, star, double quotes. So whichever the way you are following, both works. Ultimately, we want to get two stars here before and end. Now what you do is you try to drag till the end of your product ID because you want to generate the barcode for all the products ID, which is in the B column, that is product ID. Now what I'll do is I'll select the entire column. I'll go to the home. Very easy trick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the font name here. That is, you can see here, library barcode 39 and say enter. You'll see that the barcode is ready. If you find this video informative, then click on like button and make sure to subscribe to Monty Excel. The best is yet to come. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.